Hello everyone, myself Pankaj. Welcome to Being Fish Co. In this video, we will talk about chapter 21 of Handbook of Fisheries and Aquaculture, that is cage and pen culture. I've written all the important points from this chapter that could be framed as a question, and thus it's very useful for a JRF exam as well as fisheries related other competitive exam. So let's start. First of all, cage culture originated 200 years ago in Cambodia, and that too it started with the culture of Clarias species, that is catfish species. It is popular in Mekong Basin, and in Indonesia, traditional part of cage culture is popular. In 1940, common carp culture started in cages in West Java. Modern cages include synthetic mesh, netting, and collars. Modern cage culture originated in Japan in 1950. At present, 62 countries follow cage culture as per the data of FAO, that is Food and Agriculture Organization. Submerged cages were used for salmonids in Norway, for tuna and yellowtails in Japan. In India, cage culture originated basically for the culture of air-breathing fishes. Then sea cage culture is more popular in these countries, that includes Norway, Chile, China and Japan. In India, it started in 2007, initiative taken by CMFRI at Visakhapatnam coast. First of all, culture of Asian sea bass started in sea cage culture. Scientific name of Asian sea bass is Lattice calcarifer. NFDB leads to the development of 14 open sea floating cages. Then pen culture originated in Japan in 1920, then in China in 1950, in Philippines in 1968. In Philippines, culture of milkfish is very much dominant. Scientific name for milkfish is Chanus chanus. Pen culture is in situ carp seed rearing, that too popular in Bhavani Sagar and Tungabhadra Reservoir in India. Chilka Lake, Jano fishery of mullets, and in Gheris, prawn culture is popular. Then Indian reservoirs area includes 3.15 million hectare. Yield potential is small reservoir 50 kg per hectare, medium reservoir 20 kg per hectare, large reservoir 8 kg per hectare. Floodplain wetlands that are also known as beels, very much dominant in Assam. Area includes 0.79 million hectare, yield potential of 1000 kg per hectare. According to FAO, 2% of fish stock is underexploited, 18% is moderately exploited, and 52% is fully exploited. Pen and cages can be cultured in all the three forms, that is extensive, semi-intensive and intensive form. In extensive, no supplementary feed is necessary. In semi-intensive, supplementary feed is provided with the rate of low protein, that is less than 20%. Then in intensive culture, high quality supplementary feed is provided with the protein rate of greater than 30%. For cage culture, 5 meter depth for reservoir, creeks and coastal areas, and 3 meter depth for wetland and canals. 62 countries and 80 species of finfish is predominantly used in cage culture practice, and that too salmonids are cultured in major amount as compared to Japanese amberjack, red sea bream, yellow croaker, European sea bass, Chinese carps, perches and tilapia. Then stocking density depends on carrying capacity of water, water spread area, depth and water quality. Feed 70% energy and 30% to fish flesh. Feed includes protein 24 to 50%, carbohydrate contribution is 15 to 25%, and fat contribution is 5 to 10% in diet. To grow out, feed is supplied at the rate of 5% of body weight. Vitamin E 200 mg per kg feed, vitamin C 50 mg per kg feed. For broodstock, feed rate is 3% of their body weight, that is 2 to 3% of their body weight in 5 to 6 months. Then cages are of 4 types: fixed cages, floating cages, submersible cages and submerged cages. Fixed cages are used in shallow water with a depth of 1 to 3 meter. These are inexpensive, smaller and simpler. Floating cages are dominant in 5 meter depth areas for in case of reservoirs, and 3 meter in wetlands and 2 meter in canals. Then submersible cages have net bags. Then coming to pens, these are practiced in area with muddy, clayey, loamy soils and with the depth of 1.2 meter for 4 to 6 months. Then dry pen is used in the area of trench of 30 cm wide, and depth may be dug 50 cm pits at every 1.5 meter distance. Structural framework of pen includes 2.5 meter long bamboo poles. Pen screen has 12 mesh per centimeter. Then frame of cage is collar. Galvanized iron or galvanized iron pipes can also be used, 6.09 meter length and 6.5 meter to 7.5 centimeter diameter. Then floats used in cages includes empty barrels or drums of 22 kg weight, 88 cm length, 180 cm circumference and 58 cm diameter. HDPE drums, these are the modification in case of the floats. HDPE drums that is fiberglass or styrofoams are all used as buoys to keep cages afloat. Then sinkers used are stones of 3 to 4 kg. Then HDPE monofilament weaving materials 40 mesh per centimeter to 10 to 20 mesh per centimeter. 40 mesh per centimeter is used for the culture of spawn to fry, and for fry to fingerling 10 to 20 mesh per centimeter. Then cages used in India in reservoir range 1 to 36 meter square. Cage depth 0.9 meter to 1.6 meter is ideal for freshwater fishes. Then 5 into 3 into 3 for fingerling cage, 5 into 5 into 3 or 4 into 4 into 3 for table size fishes. Then sea cage outer diameter is 7 meter and 4 meter depth, and inner diameter is 6 meter and 3 meter depth. At Carver, round 6 meter diameter metal cage, GI pipes and floated on 10 HDPE barrels. Innovation in sea cage mooring was done by the use of Dyneema, that is UHMWPE, ultra high molecular weight polyethylene. Dyneema is 15-fold stronger than steel and 4 to 5-fold stronger than polyamide. It could be asked as a question in JRF exam, so I have written this point. Dyneema is 15-fold stronger than steel and 4 to 5-fold stronger than polyamide. Then bamboo cages used are 6 meter into 6 meter into 1.5 meter. These are green bamboo sticks, nylon net of 12 millimeter mesh and 40 millimeter diameter, PVC floating cages 4 into 2 into 2. Then basket cage used for the culture of mangur and singhi. Okay, it is important point. Basket cage is used for the culture of mangur and singhi. Metallic frame cages are of circular or square type. Number and arrangement of cages should depend on size of farm, area and nature of site, shape and design of cage. Then coming to pen, ideal site for installing a pen is 1.5 to 2.5 meter depth. For effective control, not to increase individual area to more than 500 meter square. Shape of pen includes polygonal shape, rectangular, square or circular. Circular pen is best for culture. Simplest pen are of bamboo screens. Coir or nylon toils are used. Then HDPE knotless weaving is best for net pen wall. Then coming to stocking density, according to NFDB Hyderabad, production rate is 10 million tons. 250 to 300 number carp fry are used with a size of 15 to 25 millimeter and at the depth of 3 to 3.5 meter. Oxygen packets with 1000 number of species in 4 liter of water in polyethylene bags with a concentration of 2/3 of oxygen. Then sea bass 12,000 number of fry per cage. This is the stocking density for sea bass. Tray feeding in cages is done in wetlands, not in reservoir. Then floating feeds are given at the rate of 4 to 5% body weight. Dry pelleted feed 20% body weight. Chopped trash fish 100% body weight. CIF Mumbai experimental rearing of carps and mahasir. Then pen fertilized with 10 tons per hectare of cow dung, and liming is done at the rate of 200 to 300 kg per hectare. Early culture of catfishes in cages were done using air breathing fishes. All India Coordinated Research Project for Catfish Culture was initiated by CIFRI, that is Central Inland Fisheries Research Institute, headquarters in Barakpur, West Bengal. Then feeding is done with the help of silkworm pupae, groundnut oil cake and rice bran in the ratio of 8:9:3 at the rate of 10 to 20% body weight. Then open sea cage farming started in 2007 by CMFRI at Visakhapatnam coast. Then cobia hatchery production, cobia scientific name is Rachycentron canadum, started at Mandapam center of CMFRI. Then pen culture extensively practiced in Japan, Peru, Philippines. In Philippines it was done basically for milkfish, scientific name Chanos, and up to the size of 200 gram. In pens, rohu showed better growth performance as compared to other carp species. Fish farming in pen in Mon of Bihar was initiated by CIFRI. CIFRI also initiated the farming of Macrobrachium rosenbajai in pen. Then prawn need more protein for better growth. Chopped and boiled molluscan meat used for better growth of prawns. Prawns are fed once in evening and at the rate of 2 to 3% of their body weight. Prawn poses cannibalism, and thus to overcome cannibalism, pen provided with palm, date palm leaves or PVC cemented pipes in order to hide those molted prawns. Then NREP full form is National Rural Employment Program, IRDP full form is Integrated Rural Development Program, and DRDA full form is District Rural Development Agency. Okay, so that's all for this video of cage and pen culture from Handbook of Fisheries and Aquaculture. We have discussed all those points that could be framed as a question. Okay, so thanks for your patience. Keep sharing the video. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. Till then, stay safe.